This is a recent delivery of grain we're going to use for our next batch of bourbon. It's a mixture of corn, barley, and rye. We work with a local farmer to get it. He was kind enough to plant 15 acres of non-GMO corn just for our use in this year's production. And for each batch of bourbon, we use about 1,200 pounds. Here's a fresh batch of bourbon in one of our 1,000-gallon ferment tanks. We cook the mash for about a day at a little over 200 degrees. And after it cools, we can pitch the yeast. We pitched yeast in this batch just yesterday. It has 4 more days to ferment. Then after that, we'll be able to distill it and put it in unused charred oak barrels, where it will age for about 2 years before it can be bottled. This is our newest batch of bourbon. We pitched the yeast into the mash yesterday. As you can see, the yeast is doing its job and carbon dioxide is bubbling through the top. And in 5 more days, we'll be able to pump the liquid to the stills.
Hello, Todd Dunkel from Iowa Distilling Company. We'd like to use the grant money from Dream Big, Grow Here to help us expand our aged whiskey production. Thank you for considering our application.